Green Island again. It's been a while since we've had time to post a video online, but today I want to share with you a tree that I'm very fond of. Tree or shrub, multi-stemmed shrub, large shrub or a small tree. It's called Cercidiphyllum japonicum, commonly known as the Katsura tree. It hails from Asia. There's lots of them in China, where they can grow up to 45 feet in the wild, but in cultivation here they don't grow quite that tall. They do like adequate moisture and a reasonably well-drained soil, and if you can provide them with that and a bit of sunshine, I would really urge you to try one of these lovely trees. The leaves are a beautiful heart shape, and in the spring they come in a sort of purpley red colour, so beautiful spring colour in the leaves, maturing to a green colour, and then in the autumn they are one of the first trees to show the signs of autumn colouring. So when the Cercidiphyllum starts to colour, I know the seasons are definitely changing. They have separate male and female plants. The flowers are fairly insignificant. You can often grow one for years without ever being aware that it actually flowers. But the real beauty of this tree is in the autumn, when the leaves start to change colour and they go beautiful yellow, apricotty yellow, orange, salmon, tangerine colours, quite subtle autumn colours, not the vibrant brash reds that we get later in November, but the most beautiful colours. But as the sugars in the leaves break down, causing these leaves to colour, they give off the most beautiful scent of burning sugar. And the smell reminds me very much of my mother's kitchen when I was a child and she was making jam. So burning sugar, or toffee apple people have described it as, or otherwise candy floss. And it's very distinctive smell. It's projected for 30 to 40 yards across the garden. You can't actually come up to the leaves and smell it, get a waft of it. You have to be in the right place where the airwaves are taking the scent. And you can take a step forward and you can notice the smell, step back and you'll miss it. Again, go forward and you just take in this beautiful, sweet, sugary scent. In the summer, sometimes if we have a prolonged drought period, which we have had the last 3 summers actually, so periods through June, July and August, sometimes the tree goes into self-preservation mode if it's not getting enough moisture. And it will close down some of the leaves and lose them prematurely. So then we'll get an extra added bonus of that lovely sugary smell periodically through the summer. But if you have got room in your garden for something a little bit special, a little bit different, trust me, you won't be disappointed if you plant a Cercidiphyllum.